Allianz Telematics is a wholly owned company inside of Allianz Italy. Allianz Italy is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Allianz Group. Each one of the countries has an insurance company. It sells insurance to both the consumer as well as to business. In today's market, both the aftermarket systems, such as the ones that we deliver to our customers, Allianz Group companies, but also the units that are being installed in cars like Volvo, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen. Those units communicate with one telematics service provider. It's a one-to-one relationship, which means that a consumer today who buys a Volvo will only be able to get services that Volvo's telematics service provider can provide. And it's the same with our units, because it's a combination of standards have lagged very, very far behind the industry, but it's also the companies who develop these systems are really concerned with differentiation. They want to have their own product, they want to have control over the systems and the services, both to control quality, but also to ensure that they've got a customer base that grows. The downside of that is that consumers have less choice, but the companies who are providing the services also do not have access to other cars, other consumers, and in a sense it keeps the total numbers lower than they could be. Our idea has been that if we can break through those barriers by allowing consumers to reach our services, even though if they have a different device in their vehicle than the one that we've provided, and vice versa, if we can reach out to customers who have a different device than we've provided, we can grow the market. Commercial company getting involved in a European-wide project has to be motivated by an eventual return, either in the form of increased knowledge, so we learn things that we wouldn't have learned had we not participated in this, or that there's some opportunity for commercialization of the work that's been done in the project. So we hope for both, that eventually there will be a commercialization and that we'll learn a number of things through activities in this project that will benefit our business. We do see it as marketplace, being able to use MOBiNET as a way of connecting to potential customers and customers connecting to us. We don't see it as something that would eventually have its own life and its own services. We don't see a MOBiNET branded service. We see MOBiNET as an enabler for us and our business with our brands to be able to reach customers and provide them with services.